Have you ever tried to overtake a car on a highway, stepped on the gas and felt nothing? Just a flat, weak response from the engine? If you are seeing code P2193, it means your engine is running too lean specifically when you are putting it under a heavy load. And this is happening on bank 2. For those of you who do not know, bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. Running lean sounds like a diet. For an engine, it is dangerous. It means there's too much air and not enough fuel in the mixture. This can make the engine run hot and eventually cause damage. Now, before you start buying expensive sensors, I want you to think about leaks. A vacuum leak is a classic cause, but here's a pro tip. Check for exhaust leaks before the oxygen sensor. If air gets into your exhaust through a crack, the sensor sees that oxygen and thinks the engine is lean, forcing the computer to dump more fuel than necessary. It's a false alarm that ruins your performance. If your exhaust is tight, let's look at the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. This sensor counts the air coming in. If it's dirty, it gives bad data. You can actually clean this yourself. Pop it out and use a specific electronic contact cleaner or even some 91% rubbing alcohol with a soft brush. Do not touch the tiny wires with your fingers though. If cleaning doesn't work, you'll need to test its signal voltage with a multimeter. As you rev the engine, that voltage should climb smoothly. If it jumps around or stays flat, the sensor is dead. Also, don't forget to check the fuel side. If your fuel filter is clogged or your pump is getting weak, it might provide enough fuel for idling, but fail to keep up when you demand power at high speed. That's exactly what at higher load implies in this code. So check for hissing vacuum leaks, clean that MAF sensor, and inspect your O2 sensor wiring on bank 2. Usually a good cleaning or a simple sensor swap will get all your power back.